Hello, I'm talking to you from the driving seat of my car. I bought this about a month ago and it's a 2.2 litre diesel 2006 Type Jaguar. Now, when I bought the car, it came with the engine warning light on. The last owner was a mechanic and he bought it as a stopgap and didn't want to do any more work on it and was willing to let it go at just a very cheap and reasonable price, namely £650. I've got a little workshop in which I do my repairs. I've always fancied an Type Jag, so I thought, what the hell, I'll buy one. Can't be that difficult to repair, so try my hand at it. I've tried the spray the EGR cleaner into the intake. That's not worked. Taken the manifold apart and cleaned the air intake, cleaned the EGR, still not worked. Taken off the blanking plate that the last owner put on, still hasn't worked. So I've come to the conclusion, just replace the EGR valve and hope for the best. The car's been mainly driving okay up until the last sort of 2 weeks. The only issue with the car was a slightly rough idle and a engine light on. However, in the last few weeks it started to intermittently go in and out of limp mode, and I've heard a word on the forums and spoken to people, and some people have come back and said, oh, it could be turbo issues, could need clean, could need replacing. And yeah, if the EGR valve replacement doesn't work, then I will be trying a turbo change. But today I've just been to Euro Car Parts. I've got myself a new EGR valve for £50, which is a lot better than all the other alternatives, which are in the £400-500 mark. And I would much rather replace the EGR than try a new turbo, which again probably been about the same value as the price of the car. So when we get to the workshop, I'll film the replacement and hopefully it'll work. So once you move the air filter out of the way, you want to remove this little bracket here, which holds this in place. That's 1, 2, 3 10mm screws. You then have to remove 1, 2 10mm screws here, 1, 2 8mm bolts here. There's also a Jubilee clip under here, and that will remove the EGR. You also have to take off this sensor. There's a split in the pipe. Of course. Never mind, we've got a new valve, let's put it on anyway. Now you can see, even though I've replaced the EGR valve, the engine light is still on. So hook up the OBD tube and enter. Now go down, clear it. There you go, no codes. Drive it for half hour, hopefully the new valve will have done its job and the engine light will stay off. So I've driven the car for about an hour and a half now. I enjoyed a long trip in the country, and as you can see there is no engine light. Now going down to the OBD, let's have a look, see if any codes are still showing. And there are no codes, fantastic. So there's been a slight judder on low speeds, which I'm putting down to the splitting hose, but other than that, job well done.